Well, hello, my name is Doug Leasure, and we're continuing our video series using Active Planner. And so in a previous video, we actually used the Active Planner admin tool to create a new company. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and step through the same process, creating a new company, a new configuration with the standard demo data that comes packaged with Active Planner. And so we're going to go ahead and launch the admin tool. And so we'll put in the password for that. And again, this is a tool that would be used by the DBA or perhaps you're somebody in the IT department. And so we're going to create a new configuration. So we'll right-click here and do New Configuration. Stop the analytic publication service. We'll click yes there and continue on. And for the configuration setup wizard, on this first screen, we're going to choose the second option to create a new configuration with demonstration data. Click next here. And it's going to ask for the name of the SQL server. So we'll enter that, click next. And now it wants to have an administrative user to log into the SQL Server using that particular user. So we'll go ahead and use the default SA and provide the password for that. And now that we're logged into the SQL Server, we're going to go ahead and create the name of our configuration. And for our purposes, we'll go ahead and just call this training. And now we're going to select or create the system database, publication database, and the company database. So these are the three databases that we need for Active Planner. We're going to go ahead and let Active Planner create a new database for each one of these needed databases. So create a new name for this. We'll make it Active Plan, and this is the system database. So we'll Active Plan Sys, and let it create that new database. And in a very similar way, we'll do the same thing for the publication database. Act Plan, short for Active Planner, and Pub, short for publication. You can make up any name that you want for each of these databases. We do recommend that you would name them in a very consistent way so that you can always recognize that these three databases represent the Active Planner data. And now for the company database, we'll make it Active Plan Comp. Click OK, and it created those databases. We'll go to the next screen, and here's where we can choose the SDA and DQA. So we'll enter the user name and password that we're going to use for the SDA and for the DQA. Since we're in a standalone environment, we're going to just use the SA account for both. And now it's going to create a company code and a description, and you can see by default it's putting in demo and demonstration company. We'll click next, and this is what it's going to do, install these databases. And we'll click run, and we'll go ahead and let it do its installation. And we can see that it's rushing through the installation here, creating databases, the objects, and also populating the objects with the needed data. So we'll give it just a moment to finish here. And now we can see that it was completed. And we will just click close to close the report. We could print it or save it to file, but we'll go ahead and just close it. And now we can just click the Finish button, and there we have just accomplished that task of creating new databases, creating a new configuration, and installing the demo data into those new databases. Just that simple. Thank you.